Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be revisiting the Monsgeek M1 that I've been using for the past 3 months, considering it is still one of the most popular budget keyboards out at the moment, and that is for a good reason. Now the M1 starts off at $99.99 just for the base kit, and you get a lot for it, and in the past 3 months of using it, I honestly haven't really changed my opinion on it too much. The build I'm using is all the foams with tape mod as well, so that includes P foam, case foam, and plate foam, plus 2 layers of painter's tape, and then the switches I'm using are the cream yellows, and I did lube them from the past video where they were unlubed, and the keycaps I'm using are the one-piece keycaps from Akko. So that is my build configuration, and because of the P foam I am getting a nice pop from my keyboard, but I also think the cream switches just feel very nice to type on, and they're nice, light, linear. Their stock performance isn't bad whatsoever, but once I lubed them they just felt so nice to type on, and that opinion has not changed one bit. The other issue I had with this keyboard is the fact that no matter how much or how little foam I used, I always had the volume knob scratch against the case, and I don't really know how to fix this, but it is quite annoying, so I don't really use the volume knob at all, so it's kind of a big downside when it comes to that. I do think it's important to point out one thing that might be an issue for somebody else. This keyboard has everything that I've loaded into it, you know, force break mod, tape, case foam, plate foam, P foam, but it is a gasket mounted board. So my board, since I have all of those modifications done to it, isn't that flexible. If you did want to, you know, make it more flexible and not have case foam or tape mod or anything like that, you might run into the issue where at the top part of the keyboard where the daughter board is, the wire does not sit in the hole where it's cut out in the bottom of the case, so that makes you have some contact, which makes a kind of a loud clack noise if you press down on that area. It's not super loud, but it is kind of a downside if you think about it, because of the fact that if you did not want to use this keyboard with a lot of modifications done and you like how it sounds without case foam, but if you constantly are hearing a clack noise when you're using the FN row, that could be pretty annoying. That is the biggest drawback I see of this keyboard. Here's a quick sound test of how this keyboard sounds now with lubed cream yellows. Overall, I'm really happy with this keyboard and how it turned out. I still really enjoy using it, and I always go back to it from time to time just because of how nice it sounds and feels. Now when it comes to the overall build quality, that hasn't really had any wear and tear that I've seen, but if you did want a keyboard that had a numpad, the Monsgeek M2, which I also made a review on recently, is also a very good pick, and I'll be leaving my review to that one in the description below. Other than that, let me know what you guys think about all of Monsgeek keyboards in general in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.